Hello guys and welcome to the video. In this video, I'll show you how to deliver an order on Fiverr using your phone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for Fiverr. Make sure the Fiverr app is updated to the latest version. Once it's updated, open the Fiverr app and tap on the Orders section. Now select the order you want to deliver. After that, tap on the three white dots in the top right corner of the screen and choose Deliver Order. If you need to make any changes or have an issue, you can select the Resolution Center. Next, tap on Quick Message to inform the buyer about the delivery. Then select and upload the files you want to send. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Until next time, see you soon.